Hi friends, I'm Sathak Patil from Android YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you top video editing apps for your Android devices. So the first one on our list is the Powerdirector video editing app. It is a quite simple app from a company called Cyberlink.com, and we use this app regularly to edit our videos, and this video is being edited by the Cyberlink Powerdirector. This app comes with a size of 43 MB and has a good amount of ratings over 3.6 and has 50 million downloads. So when you open this app, you get to see such type of interface where you can see new project and you can set the name of that project. So let me just set a name of that project, a random name, ABC, and then you can select the project aspect ratio 9:16 or 16:9. So after doing that, you can import. You get to see some import options. You can import pictures, videos, music from your file manager. So I have imported two pictures for time being, and you can see the pictures are being added on the timeline, and you can see the timestamps above the timeline. So you can just play and pause from that right side small button. You can also cut, you can also set transitions. Let me just add some videos and do some real editing. So let me just search for video. So yeah, let me just add some this animated video from my file manager, and you can see the video has been added in the file manager. And what you can do is that you have to click on that timeline. You have to click the video on the timeline, and you can see this cut button. You can just cut that, and now you can edit on this part. So you get to see a pencil like editor. You can also change the audio configuration, you can also mix the video, you can also fade in fade out the audio, you can do many more customizations on the audio section. Then you get to see color. You can also change the color grading, you can also play with the brightness, contrast and saturation of that video. You get to see white balance and many more options in this. You can also do a simple quite color grading in the mobile itself. You can also change the speed of that video, and see, as you can see, I have applied the 50% speed on this video. You can also reverse this video. You need not to install a different reverser app on your Android. You can reverse it from this simple app. So now you get to see many more options. You can edit, you can also cut, you can also add voiceovers. Now you can also import this video directly on YouTube, directly on Facebook, or you can just save it on your SD card or mobile memory. So you get to see 4K HD and Full HD support. So the second one on our list is the Filmora Go free video editor. This video editing app comes from the Wondershare. Yeah, you got it right. Wondershare is a company which has built Wondershare Filmora for PCs and laptops. So while giving permissions, after giving permissions, you get to see such type of interface. You have to agree some permissions, and then you can see such a create video. Same like as Powerdirector, you have to import media files from your file manager. Let me import some video. So yeah, let me just, you have to just click on that video and you're ready to go. You can also, you get to see, you can also trim the video here itself, and just you have to click add, and then you have to click next. You can set themes as per your requirement. You get to see pre-applied themes. You can change the music, you can change the background music, you can also change the aspect ratio of this video. You can also add transitions. So let me just add some few themes. So you get to see pre-applied themes like the 90s theme. This is a 90s theme. And scrolling down, we get the fashion theme, and scrolling down we get the Charlie Chaplin theme. These themes come along with pre-applied music, so you don't have to worry for a background music searching all around the internet. So if you want to change the music, you get to see libraries which are pre-installed, and these musics are no copyright musics and are free to use. And you can see the you can also change the ratio of this video, ratio crop. You can just cut the sides or just make the sides blur. And then downside we get to see edit option, in which you can trim the clip, crop the clips, add subtitles, add picture over picture, add your voiceover, and you can add overlays, you can add elements, you can change the speed of this video, you can also add filters, you can also rotate this video, you can do multiple things. And the creativity depends on the editor. You can add subtitles like this. You get animated subtitles in this app which are quite good. So if you are using a free version, then you don't get you get a watermark. If you are paid, then you don't get watermark. So the third one on our list is the Kinemaster video editing app. You all may be familiar with this Kinemaster video editing app. So this is a simple, quite video editing app. So let me just open it. So after opening it, you get you have to allow some permissions to this app, and just skip this and just press start. So after doing start, you get to see such type of menu where you get to see a plus button. You have to click on that. You can select the ratio 9:16, 16:9, or 1:1. Let me just select 16:9 for time being. Then you get to see such type of timeline option where you can see the interface is quite similar with the Powerdirector app, and you get to see media option where you can import media from your device itself, same like as that Powerdirector and Filmora app. So let me just import some video from my file manager. So you have to just click and you are ready to go. In this we can play, pause, and we can see the live preview from the timeline. So you can change the speed, you can reverse the direction, you can reverse the video clip, and do many more things. You can also add layers, you can also add voiceovers, you can also add audios. You can the most important thing Kinemaster can do is that you can apply chroma key. Yeah, you can apply chroma key to a green screen, and you can change the background. So you get to see many more clip graphics like this one. Kinemaster gives a lot of animations and clip graphics which are pre-installed in this app. So this one is a good try. You can also adjust the volumes, you can also adjust the colors, filters, you can add many more things. Then you can trim. The most important option is that you can extract the audio from that video, so that you can work upon the audio and you can change the audio. And then you get some voice changes commands which are just for fun and depends on the editor's creativity. You can add text over here, you can add subtitles over here, and you can add animations to that text, and you can do a lot more things in this app. You get to see a lot of font options, theming options in this Kinemaster app, and all three apps mentioned above are of great use, and you can use it in your daily life for small video editing. So do like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel, and do press that bell icon to get the latest notifications about my channel. Thank you guys.